भाई तुझे टू टाउन एसी के लिए खेलना था ना?
हाँ भाई.
So if you impress me in a 1v1, then I am going to sign you in two town FC. Challenge accepted?
Accepted.
One is starting the game, having the possession, taking it forward, trying to dribble, taking a hold, going back. Maybe it's one at turn. He's trying to go forward, blocked by Ayush. Ayush turning. He stopped. What is he going to do? And here's a body feint. And a goal from Ayush. The score is already 1-0. So now the question is, can Varnith retrieve or is this his end? So he needs to score a goal to level things up. Varnith passing the ball and the game starts. Varnith taking the space and he scores a brilliant goal. It was calm and composed. He is now normal. He is calm, he is not nervous at the moment and we hope he can score again. Ayush taking the ball forward, starting the game and with step overs, a brilliant skill, Varnith defeated and he's down. It's 2-1 again. Can he do something or is this end of his journey? Because the score is already 2-1 and Ayush is walking by and here is Varnith passing the ball to Ayush. Ayush passing him back. Varnith trying to do something. Oh, a wonderful flick and it's a goal. The score is leveled once again and here is his goal. Can he beat Ayush? Can he actually become the latest and newest prodigy of Two Town FC? Ayush once again having a ball. Okay, a little flick. It's a nutmeg. Can Ayush score? Is this end of Varnith's journey? A last moment slide tackle saved him. Ayush coming back to his territory. It was a failed attempt. Can he do something better? Varnith starting again. Ayush defending. Ayush passing the ball back. Okay. Ayush trying to defend. Varnith using his body. Again going forward. A flick and a clear from Ayush. He must have been relieved by this because he cannot lose his position to a newcomer. But can Varnith prove himself? Because right now he is actually proving himself and it's really fabulous. Ayush passing the ball to Varnith. Varnith passing it back. Ayush starting. Okay, it's a body feint, classic Ayush style, and it's a goal. The match is over. Ayush wins.
Challenge तो हार गया, but you really impressed me. So I am going to sign you for two town FC.
Vamos!